Push Dancer UK, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the seated lady twist. Okay, I'll show you the spin first and then I'll break it down for you. Okay, there are three parts to this spin. The first part is just your basic seated lady, so you've got your strongest arm up high, your other one's across your chest, 3 walks, walking into it, just lift your knees up. That's just your seated lady by itself. So to add the twist, when you're in your seated lady over here, drop your knees down so they're pointed at the floor, kick your feet behind you, that will turn your body around. When you've turned around, just lift them back up again. So 3 walks, coming into your seated lady, drop your knees down, turn around, and then lift them back up again. Okay, the important thing is dropping your knees down so that your knees are pointed towards the floor, feet behind you. If when you're spinning, if you just try and turn around, you'll bash your knees into the pole. Okay, so make sure you drop those knees down. If you kick them hard enough behind you, that'll spin you around anyway, so you won't need to try and turn yourself around. Okay, make sure you keep your seated lady for a couple of counts before you turn around. It'll make it look like a really good twist, so it's a really obvious twist. So come into your seated lady, count for 2, drop down, turn around, lift them back up again. Okay, that's your seated lady twist. Thank you for watching.